Hi everyone, and welcome! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access Trainer Central for the first time and give you a quick overview of how to use it for your classes. We'll cover everything you need to get started, including how to sign up, how to access your course, how to navigate lessons and track your progress. Important reminder, Trainer Central can only be accessed through the link sent to your email. You won't be able to find it by searching on Google. Let's get started. To access Trainer Central, you'll receive an email with access to your assigned program. Open the email and click the button labeled Verify and Sign Up. You'll be redirected to the Trainer Central registration page, where you'll create your account. On the registration form, you'll be asked to enter your full name, a password, your phone number, your date of birth, your digital signature. This is simply typing your name. Once all fields are completed, submit the form to continue. After submitting the form, you'll be taken directly into Trainer Central. Each time you're enrolled in a new course, you'll receive an invitation email. You must accept this invitation before you can access your course. Before viewing course content, you'll also need to complete a short registration step, which includes indicating whether you were assisted by a staff member, selecting whether you are an adult or teen student, agreeing to the terms and conditions. Once all required fields are completed, submit the form to continue. You'll enter your course portal. Here, you'll see a welcome message with important information. It's recommended to use a desktop or laptop with Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox for the best experience. Phones and tablets are supported. If you're using a phone or tablet, download Trainer Central Learner from the App Store or Google Play. Additional reminder, course access is available for 2 weeks from the date of payment. You'll also find a frequently asked questions section, and under handouts, you'll get useful resources. On the left side of the screen, you'll see your course progress displayed as a percentage, a list of all lessons included in the course. As you move through the course, you can easily track what you've completed and what's left. Practice test information, if applicable. For the course Permit Exam Preparation Online, scroll down on the course page to find the button that allows you to practice the test online. Practice test details. You must score 80% or higher to complete the lesson. You may take the practice test as many times as needed. The practice test includes 60 random questions. For additional testing or an exact exam simulation, you may visit any Nova location to practice in person. Complete the course. Each lesson includes instructional videos explaining the topics covered. In the top right corner, click Complete and Continue to move forward. Be sure to check your email regularly, as all course notifications are sent there. Trainer Central main page and navigation. When you click back from a course page, you'll return to the Trainer Central homepage. Here, you'll see all courses available to you. From the top right menu, you can change your language, go to your profile, access MySpace, and check your enrollments directly. MySpace Overview. Inside MySpace, you'll find My Team. View your classroom and course updates. Explore products. Browse other course offerings. My Courses. View all enrolled courses. My Sessions. See upcoming sessions. Payments. Review subscriptions and transactions. Rewards. Access certificates. Settings. Update profile information and email preferences. Navigation tip. You can click the Nova logo at any time to return to the Trainer Central main page. That concludes this Trainer Central tutorial. You're now ready to access your courses, navigate your lessons, and track your progress with confidence. If you need help at any time, be sure to check your email for updates and support information, or give us a call, and one of our staff members will be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your training. Nova Driving School, empowering confident drivers for life. See you on the road!